the Island Strum because I think that you can probably say banana, coconut, and air. Can you keep a steady beat? If you can keep a steady beat and maybe talk over the top of it or sing a song like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, then I can teach you how to do the Island Strum. So let's get started. 7 easy steps. You don't even need your ukulele to do the first step. You need to put the beat on your body somewhere. It's important that you feel that impact. It helps with your learning. We're going to do this. We're going to say banana, banana. I'll do it 2 more times. Banana, banana. Let me break it down and then we'll do it together 8 times. Ba and na are on the beat. Banana. That second na, the third syllable of banana, is off our body. Banana. So play around with that. Make sure that that's happening for you. That's why I'm making this a 4-beat pattern. Banana. Banana. So you have 2 beats where you're just doing the beat. Trust me, I've got your back. We will be adding something there, but for now they're just placeholders. Let's do it 8 times together. 1, 2, and here we go. Banana, 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 banana. 4 more. Banana, 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 banana. Feeling comfortable with me? Understand it up here? You understand it up here, you're smart. Let's go to the second step. We're still off of our ukulele. Next step will be on our ukulele. We're going to add the word air and we're going to whisper it. And the reason why we're whispering it is because in the strum, that's not going to be a sound. It's telling you to recock your hand, basically, if you're going to get technical. But we don't need to get technical. Okay, so it goes like this. Banana air, banana air, banana air, banana air. So, banana, 2 beats. The third beat of that 4-beat pattern is air. Let's do it 4 times together. 1, 2, and here we go. Banana air, banana air, banana air, banana air. Let's put that on our instruments. You've got your instrument now. We're not going to worry about chords. We're so not going to worry about chords that I'm just going to lightly rest my fingers here. And so it just sounds like a percussion scratch. Just won't even worry about chords. We're going to take the banana air like that. So it goes down, down, up, air. And then we have a silent beat, just like we did here, to repeat, get us ready to repeat. I'll do it 4 times, and then I'll do it 8 more times that you can do it with me. So 1, 2, and here I go. Banana air, banana air, banana air, banana air. Okay, just breaking it down again. Banana air, down, down, up, air. And you don't want to go too far on any of this. Keep it contained, relaxed. Let's do it together. 1, 2, here we go. Banana air, banana air, banana air, banana air, banana air, banana air. 2 more times. Banana air, banana air. With me so far? We're just working on the mechanics, getting it in and getting it so that you understand what's going on, and more importantly, that your body understands what's going on. If this feels comfortable, great, move on. If you repeat this section as many times as you need, talk it through, do whatever you need to do to get comfortable with it. Remember, this is your ukulele journey. Let's add the second half of the Island Strum. Let's do it on our bodies just like we did the first part, but we're going to be adding it on. So it sounds like this. Banana, coconut, banana, coconut, banana, coconut. So you've got the air that you whisper on that third beat, and then when your hand is away from your body, you start coconut. Remember, every time that you're hitting your body is a down strum. People say down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. But when all the syllables are the same, students can get lost. So it's banana, air, coconut, banana, air, coconut, banana, air, coconut, banana, coconut, banana, coconut. Are you following along? Realizing that co-nut, like that? Let's do it 8 more times. 1, 2, and here we go. Banana, coconut, 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 banana, coconut. I'm going to timestamp this. When you come back to practice this, this is where you start. Start with me saying it and then work on transferring it to your instrument, which is next. Hey, are you with me so far and feeling like, yes, I can get this? Well, good. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I have all sorts of help, particularly for beginners, and I have a whole playlist of new to uke that you might find really interesting. And I also have a Patreon site if you want to zoom in with me several times a month, like up to 3 times a month. Hey, I have group lessons, and I also have beginner-friendly jams. I'll put the link down below. We're just going to do the second half on our instrument. I believe in really small, digestible learning segments. So we're going to think banana, air, coconut. So just think banana, air, go down, and then come back up, coconut. So I'll do it super slow. Banana, air, coconut, banana, air, coconut, banana, air, coconut, banana, air, coconut. So air, you have to go down. I had to remind myself to do that. Coconut. Let's do it 8 times together. 1, 2, and here we go. Banana, air, coconut, 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 banana, air, coconut. Let's put it all together for the last step. I'm going to play a C chord. Let's get some melodious music with it. So, saying it, then put it on your body first just to kind of prep yourself. Banana, air, coconut, banana, air, coconut. 1, 2, and here we go. How'd you do? Let's do it 8 more times just to make sure we got it. 1, 2, and here we go. Banana, coconut, banana, air, 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 Island Strum. Now putting it with your singing and changing chords, that adds a level of complexity. So the first thing that I want you to do is be patient with yourself. And then I have a tutorial using one of my favorite artists. So my dog, not my dog, who's down here by me. What was I saying before we were so rudely interrupted by my dog? She had to go out. I'm going to link a card up here. Now, if your device isn't showing a card, I also have it linked down below to a song, one of my favorite all-time artists, Harry Belafonte. And it is just a 2-chord song with tons of repetition. That is the place to start putting in changing chords, keeping it in really small, digestible chunks that you can do without frustration, so you're not putting tension in your body, and so you learn to play the ukulele joyfully, and it just becomes like it is for me. It's the love of my life. Well, kind of. I have other loves too. And I hear I'm coming home right now. Anyway, I'll have that link down below just to give you an exercise in patience for all 5 of you that are still listening to the very end. I was going to a jam in Kentucky, and a professor came from the local university, and we had a lot to talk about because I also teach at the university level, and I was showing him the Island Strum and how it goes. He was new to the ukulele, and he went, "Oh, that's going to take some work." So here's somebody with a PhD in music that's saying, "Okay, I'm going to have to work on that personally." So don't be intimidated by it. You can do it. I've seen lots of students have great success. You will too. Just be patient and kind with yourself. Remember, it's a process, and I'm here to help you on your ukulele journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Every time I'm away from Liza, water come to me. Every time I'm away from Liza, water come to me. Come back, Liza, come back, girl. Wipe the tear from me.